People of YouTube, we are back with what can only be described as the most underrated car to ever come out of Japan. It's the Mazda MX5 Mark 1. Let me show you what we're working with. Here she is. It is in a bit of a pickle, this one. Don't think this is really doing it justice, just how bad this is. We've got wings missing, roof's been badly sanded, rust, usual places in the seals, inner and outer, underneath, a little bit in there. From there onwards is solid, both sides, but we have got a patch just like that on both sides to do. Little bit in the arches, bit of surface rust just behind the front wings. Bum's all smashed up, lights are hanging out, and we've got slow punctures on all the wheels. Nothing really fits properly. Someone's rattle canned the glass, don't know if you can see that. Look in here, window regs, not even attached. We've got bits of interior missing. Geezer, I bought it off, it's just absolutely annihilated it. He snapped on the dashboard, bits of panels snapped off, rips in the seat belt's not bolted in, steering wheel's not bolted on. Yeah, it's in a bit of a pickle. However, we never put a healthy dog down. There's plenty of life left in this old girl. Yeah, we're gonna get it back on the road. So I think we're gonna start with attacking the rust. Gonna get the seals welded up, both sides and the inner arches. Probably gonna underseal it, drop the subframes, get them painted as well. Get them wire wheeled and painted. They're looking a little bit crusty. So yeah, get all the cosmetic stuff out of the way first. We'll get it welded up, get all the underside cleaned, get the rust out of the way. Then we're working with a nice clean base. Has already got coilovers on it. It's got hard top. It's a 1.8 Jap import. That is the better spec one. Like I say, it's got coilovers, hard top, boss kit, a few other nice bits, full stainless exhaust. So yeah, it has had new discs and pads. I just need to clean up where it's been sat for a few months. Yeah, on the whole, it's not too bad as MX5s go. I've had worse. So yeah, I think we'll get all the rust out of the way, get the underseal all done, get the subframes cleaned up, and then we'll start getting the new wheels and bumpers on. Guys, hit subscribe, drop a like, drop a comment when it's done, let me know what you think down below. Let's put another dream on another driveway. Bosh! We are back outside, we're undersealed, subframes painted, wheels are on, got some new tyres coming in the post, but I didn't want to get them on yet, just in case there's any rusty nails and stuff. Need to have to sweep up in the unit. But yeah, it's looking pretty clean underneath, just sort of see it through there in the arch. It's already been patched all the way along the seals before, and I have been undersealed, but I thought I'd do it again. I'm underneath, I might as well do it again. Undersealed all behind the wings, just there as well. Got these nice dishy wheels on here. So yeah, I think now we'll get back inside. Going to paint the front subframe, and then get the cam belt servicing done. You can hear she's a little bit tappy. We'll get some fresh oil and stuff in there. I've got a new cam belt, water pump, oil, oil filter, fuel filter's already on. Yeah, get that done, then we'll get the interior done. Let's do this. Yes then people, we are ready for paint. We've got the wheels on, disc and pads have already been done, cam belt's done, water pump's done, fresh oil filter, new fuel filter, welding's done, underside's all undersealed. Give it all a fresh coat of paint. Gave the subframes a fresh coat of paint. We've got the nice side skirts all on the side, BN style. Interior's all done. Stunning wooden steering wheel, really nice oak centre console, whittled that together myself. Yeah, we've got these nice diamond stitch door cards on here, and we're all done, we're all hoovered up and cleaned. Come up very nice. Guys, if you haven't already, hit subscribe. Somebody's winning a cash prize or a bike completely free of charge. We've already had the 1k giveaway, 10k is coming up very soon. So yeah, drop a like, drop a comment, let me know what you think down below in the comments. Let's get this old girl painted. Back on the road. Bosh.
Klien. Klien.
Right then people, that is one more build all done. This thing's absolutely stunning. We've got the nice banded steels, really nice interior, paintwork's come up lush, nice side skirts. So yeah, what we started with to what we got, absolutely pucker. If you haven't, hit the subscribe button. The next giveaway is at 10k. Someone walked away with a cash prize, someone's walking away with a cash prize at the 10k giveaway. Drop your comments down below and let me know what you think, and I'll see you at the next episode.